Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now today's video is regarding men's fashion. It is regarding one of my favorite brands, which is HRX by Hrithik Roshan. And I've ordered this product just to show you that how good the quality of this brand has become. Like, we always have a tendency to order towards the international brands, which is Adidas and Nike. But this product which I've ordered, it's a shoe by HRX, and I really love the quality of the shoe. So I thought, why shouldn't I update you viewers also regarding the quality of this brand. And it is one of my favorite brands from India right now. I've taken many stuff and the quality has improved drastically. And so let's move ahead with this video, and without further ado, let's start the video with an intro. So guys, this is the particular box which you get for the HRX brand. And there is a branding of HRX by Hrithik Roshan mentioned over here. It's a very creative box. Like, there is a hashtag of keep going mentioned over here, which you can tag on your social media. Plus there is a quality of the fabric also mentioned over here. It's anti-microbial fabric, and it is actually light in weight. The shoe is light in weight, and the durability tag is also mentioned over here. It's a durable fabric. Plus this entire box is recyclable, and all the originality barcodes and the MRP of the shoe is mentioned over here, which is around 4,400 rupees. And this shoe is made up of entirely knit fabric. So let's see what's inside the box now. So first of all, you get a very creatively done, like, you get a size chart over here, which is a size guide. In case of future, if you're going to purchase any shoe, you can refer your size guide of your feet or from this chart over here. And this is a tag for the recyclable box. Plus there is a soft paper inside, and when you open it, you're greeted with the shoes. And the shoe is really of a good quality. As you can see, the entire fabric of the shoe is made up of knit. And what this allows is, like, there is a high breathability when you wear the shoes. Like, lots of air pass inside this fabric, and it keeps your feet fresh, and the shoe also always smells fresh. And this particular design, I loved this design. Like, it is a 3D mesh like a design created over here. And actually this is a unicolor shoe. It is completely grey in color. Plus this is having a design of a cup sole, which is very comfortable to wear. When you wear it in your feet, it actually takes the shape of your feet. Certain people have bigger feet and certain have a narrow feet, so this entire fabric takes that shape of the feet due to this sole. It is a EVC material sole, and it is really flexible, as you can see, and it is really soft also. So the weight of the shoes is also very light. So the quality of HRX brand, there is a branding of HRX mentioned over here, and there is a branding inside mentioned over here also. So the entire feel of the shoe is really good. The entire molding, how the shoe is molded, the quality of the fabric, everything is great. So guys, this was it, and I really love the quality of this brand HRX by Hrithik Roshan. And the particular shoes which I've taken is in unicolor shoes, and the reason why I've taken it in unicolor is that because you can wear this type of a shoe with your formal trousers also, and also with your casual trousers. These are the denims and also cotton trousers. So that is really good. If you are having a choice, always make a choice for a unicolor pattern of a shoes. Plus the darker sole also keeps your shoes clean for a longer period of use. So that's the reason why I've taken this, opted for this grey color. And I always have a tendency to go towards a darker shoe if I'm purchasing a semi-formal or a sport shoes. So that will keep your shoe fresh and good looking for a longer period of time. So that was it. I hope you've liked the video, and you know the regular drill. If you like the video, thumbs would be appreciated. If you love the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with the channel because I keep bringing such videos. So take care, have a nice day, bye bye.